here, and this is one of my best friends, Anthony,
Hey.
the antelope. And we have another story for you.
Oh, yes, we do.
And what's our story this week, Anthony?
Oh, it's called Have You Ever Gotten the Hiccups? Oh, yes. Yes, I have.
They're hard to get rid of, huh?
Oh, yes, the worst.
Are you guys ready? Okay, here we go. Have you ever gotten the hiccups? Was it for a while, like an hour or two? Well, PJ once got the hiccups, and he didn't know what to do. They went on for days and days.
What?
He couldn't eat his favorite snack. He couldn't run or even play. He couldn't even sleep with this hiccup attack.
What's with the sheep?
You don't count sheep to help you fall asleep?
Oh, that makes sense.
Mom said, take a deep breath and hold it in. So PJ breathed in and in and in and the hiccup still kept coming and coming. So he went to ask his Uncle Dan. His uncle thought, and then left the room. Suddenly, a monster appeared with a roar. PJ fell out of his chair with a kaboom. Dan said,
Did I scare them out of you? You want some more?
but nope. So PJ went to ask his teacher real quick. Maybe I should distract you with some math. She gave him page after page of arithmetic. But that didn't work, she said with a laugh. The mailman said,
Write a letter!
the gymnast said, do jumping jacks. An old lady said, oh, knit a sweater. His best friend said, I could give your face a smack. But absolutely nothing he tried worked. PJ thought, I'll be stuck like this forever. I have an idea, his sister said with a smirk. His sister was very, very clever.
I mean, sisters usually are.
She gave him a big fizzy drink and told him to gulp it down. So in between each, PJ drank and drank. And just as he also let out a huge burp. And then silence. His hiccups were all gone. He hugged his sister in thanks. So remember, if you ever get the hiccups, you know what to do. Just let out a huge gassy burp. Or maybe even two.
I like that one.
Thanks for listening to our story, guys. We hope you don't get the hiccups, but we hope to see you again next week.
Have a great day, everybody.
Hey, I usually say that. We'll see you guys next time. Bye! Don't forget to hit your subscribe button for a new video from me every week.